So how you going again? Just want to let you know around the taskbar stuff and how it crosses over on platforms and syncs. So for example, I'm going to bring up my Google Chrome. Yeah, I said it again. And the reason I say it is this thing called the Chrome Web Store. For example, if we look right up here in the corner, I've got things that I've added in from this Chrome Web Store into my Chrome browser. I find this really good for my desktop. For example, Evernote Clipper is a way of, I can't clip the page. Okay, I need to fix that up. Let's see if it does that for all of them. No. So here's a different one. This is my Screencastify where I can do screen capture. I'm actually using a different product at the moment. You can see down the bottom I'm using a different one altogether. There's other ones that you can add on. For example, this one here is text-to-speech. Or is it speech to text? I forget. It's only a new one I've just found. And Speechify, I really like Speechify. So that'll read anything on your browser. But I'll get to those when I talk about text to speech and speech to text. Now let's just get rid of that one. So for example, this all sits in your Chrome Web Store, and you'll find these are apps as well. So for an example, I want to see if there is one in here that we're going to talk about later. No, there isn't. Otter AI is actually a speech to text app that I was just seeing was in the Chrome store, and it doesn't appear to be. Oh, that's pretty though, isn't it? Alright, let's get out of that search. You can do searches, you can do them on categories. If you look down, for example, look, a virtual cat. I've got a real one, and it annoys me anyway. Do I really want a virtual one? Maybe. I'm not sure why that's suggested for me, but anyway, if you look down, for example, you'll see things like Grammarly. Add them straight into your toolbar. Office, into your toolbar. How good's that? Google Translate. Well, actually, I do want to add that one in there. So you just add it to your Chrome bar. I want to add the extension, yep, and then it appears up here. There it is. I love it. So just a little trick around, if you hadn't thought about Google Chrome before and what it can do with extensions, that's just like adding stuff into your toolbox, and we've already spoken about toolbox stuff. Let's go and have a look at this from another point of view and see how it translates across to your phone or your device. I'll show you the same sort of stuff. Cheers.